Hey everybody, what's going on out there? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth, and this is another video dedicated to giving struggling marketers traffic sources. That's the biggest complaint I hear is about getting traffic. And I'm going to show y'all some good places to get some good traffic to all your offers, landing pages, squeeze pages, blogs, whatever. And I don't know how many sources I got, probably about 5 or 6. I'm not quite that sure. But the first one is called US Largest Safe List. This sucker right here is growing, and the traffic over here is pretty good. And they also have an affiliate program. For every US sign up, you can get paid 50 cents per referral. In English speaking countries, 15 cents per referral. But this thing right here, you want to join this. I mean, this place give you some good traffic straight up. And this, to me, you just gotta join this. Okay, I'm gonna move on. The second source is called Slideshare. This is a PDF submission site. You can write, you could write your stuff on Microsoft Word and upload it here and get traffic. Or you can get somebody to do it at Fiverr and they'll submit it to other PDF submission sites. I think a lot of people sleep on, or maybe new marketers don't even know about the magnitude or how much traffic you can get with PDF submission sites. And this one, slideshare.net, is one of the best PDF submission sites there is. So definitely sign up, get you an account with Slideshare. Okay, the third source is Million Leads for Free. You can send your offer to 5,000 leads a day. You just go in your back office and you just send the email to 5,000 leads a day. You can also send to more because you can upgrade and even send more than that. With Million Leads for Free, I forgot, it's been around some years. Yeah, say 2008 to 2018. So you see all these people who just signed up today, and you know it's the real deal. And that's a lot of people that got a lot of sales with Million Leads for Free. I'm kind of just scooting along. I don't want to talk you out of death. I'm just going to shoot this video and put my links below, and it'll be up to you whether you want to join these or not. By the way, all of these are free too. Just let me throw that in there. I think maybe except for one. But let me move on. Now this is a place, I think this is traffic source 4. And that is IBO Toolbox. Now you will find a lot of like-minded people over here. It's a social media part, which is IBO Social, and this is IBO Toolbox, where you can submit your content, and it's over 100,000 members. You see their active business social network, what I just got you talking about, free SEO business tools, over 300,000 visitors a day. I mean, and they got a commission program, free press release, PR promotion tool, viral video platform. The IBO ad network has over 1.5 million views a day. Hey, you can get a lot of traffic over here. If you active over here all the time, you can get tons of traffic at IBO Toolbox. So most definitely don't sleep on this one. Okay, I think this is source number 5. Now this safe list here, gives you real eyeballs. It's no bot traffic over here. You most definitely want to join this. This is real eyeballs over here. This is absolutely incredible safe list. You see 45,000 members here. You most definitely want to sign up. Like I say, this is free. So definitely sign up. I'm gonna have all my links below. And also make sure you on all of them, make sure y'all fill out your profile information too and PayPal address, because you might bring in somebody and they might order something, a traffic package or something, you'll make a commission. So when you join all these, also I would make 2 junk email boxes too. One for your contact list on all safe lists, and one for your lists. You know, you usually have to register 2 emails. You make one your contact list emails, and then one for your list for all the other members emailing you or whatnot. I would set up 2 Gmail accounts in both the, for safe lists, because you might want to join some other ones that I'm not talking about. You have one contact list and one list email, and that way, all your important emails in your important email box, it won't flood that with all these emails coming from different members and each company that owns a safe list. So keep that in mind. Okay, this is what coming up. Okay, this is traffic source number 6. And this place is called LeaseASpace. Now they've been changing processes and stuff, but they've fixed all of that. You see right here, 682 people online right now. I see something where they just said get your free blog. They never offered that, I don't think, before. But they've been going through a lot of changes. But it was just a payment processor issue. One of their payment processors had shut down, and they just unchanged a lot of stuff, but they still got that awesome traffic over here. I think the first package is like $7 or whatever, and you can upgrade to get better traffic. I mean, not better traffic, but more traffic. But it probably is better too. But LeaseASpace is definitely a place you want to go to get traffic to all your offers and stuff. So LeaseASpace is good. It's started by a marketer too that knows what he's talking about. So definitely go over there. Now, this place is really about tools. It's nothing really about traffic, but all the tools in the world is over here. You know what I mean? And they offer traffic sources, right here, free traffic sources, pre-built landing page, bill unlimited, eat unlimited list. Right here. They must have added that because they didn't have it when I first seen this. Yeah, we have over 130 places and growing that will allow you to get all the free traffic you want. Use these techniques to get eyes on your landing pages. Bill unlimited list, brand new. So you can sign up for free, but they got other packages where you pay. You see right there, 22,005 happy members. So you'll find some good traffic sources and just marketing tools you need to be a good affiliate or internet marketer or whatnot. And last but not least, I'm putting a link to my blog And you see I got online programs, residual program, mail order programs. You like doing surveys, I got a few sites. But I also have marketing resources that might not be listed in some of my videos. So I'm clicking on it, and I frequently update this page when I get a chance. And it's some gold traffic sources over here. So you most definitely want to go by my blog whenever you can, whether you're looking for traffic or you're looking for opportunities. I only promote legit, real stuff. I'm not going to put my name to it if it's not the real deal. So there you have it. What I give y'all? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 traffic sources and the link to my blog. I hope these help you. I hope you guys sign up and, you know, run this traffic to your offers and landing pages, squeeze pages. And you most definitely want to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. All these places can get you a lot of traffic that I just named. So, like I say, check them out. Make sure you always drop by the blog, see what I got going on. Click that notification bell and subscribe, and y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.